Okay, guys, so today we're gonna play Subway Surfers, and this is going to be on my second channel because that's what I want. And I'm plugged in. Okay, now let's start. Of the music turned down because I concentrate more without music. If this is too loud, just tell me in the comments because I can't see it now. And I'll turn down the volume. I hate the new update. I don't like the sound that it makes. It sounds stupid. It is a little bit loud, so I don't think you can hear me. Ouch. I'm gonna try to beat my high score. I got this on the bus, I think, when I was going to go to school. And this kid was like, I bet you can't beat my high score. He showed me his high score. I was like, bet. And I wrote it down. So I just beat his high score. And now I need to try to beat this high score. So yeah. Also get a lot of coins because I need a lot of coins. Okay, how long it takes me to just need to get the coins. $40? I need 40 of them? I'm not trying to complete any challenges. Probably do that in the next video. Well, I died. Didn't beat his high score? Almost! Oh my gosh, I always suck. You know what? I'm doing it again. I don't even care. That was my last key. I suck. Ignore me. I'm going again. I need to beat the high score. Yeah, beat it. I did it on purpose because I didn't want to do it again. There's two new boards. I didn't see that. Wow. Anyways, I beat the high score, but I died twice, so it doesn't count. Oh crap, let me change it. No, no, no. No, it's. Okay, this distracted me. I'll play it again. So we're going to try to beat the high score again. And I downloaded a screen recording app because I need it. Pause. Pause. 5 minutes. I've been recording for 5 minutes. I don't know if you can see that thing in the corner, but that's how long I've been recording. Long time. It's gonna be my third video on my second channel. I already have a couple videos on my first channel. They suck, but I have a couple videos. And that's all that matters. This video won't be long. It's just gonna be me playing Subway Surfers. I'll even play Subway Surfers and I just jumped over a whole train. I'm gonna try to jump on this train. I don't think people even play Subway Surfers anymore. Like they downloaded it and forgot to uninstall it. That's the only reason Subway Surfers has like a lot of people playing it. Cause I don't see that many gaming YouTubers playing Subway Surfers. Like they don't hop on. Like people don't hop on and be like, okay, so today we're gonna play Subway Surfers. They don't do that. They play Fortnite. Fortnite is popping. And I do have Fortnite on my PS4. I just don't play it because I don't know how to screen record. Okay, we're just gonna try to get a lot of money because I need it. Need a boost? Do I know? Or do I want it? Yes. I'm gonna try to get the Lucy skin. I don't know how to say her name. But I'm gonna try to get her skin because I'm tired of running into her. It sucks. How do you even beat this game? Like this game is like a free run game, so you don't beat it. You just play it, I guess. Use a head start. Skip it. Okay. Pump into the air. 3 trains in 1 run. Okay. Pick up 40 coins with a magnet. Get caught in the first 10 seconds of a run. That's easy. I can just count to 10 and then get caught. Like hit the nearest thing near me. Like be a real life. Like there'd be like a table. And then I would run into it. Like I would know it was there. I'm like, I'm not gonna run into you today. And then run into it. I thought I had my microphone on that other video, but I didn't. So the whole time that I was recording, I didn't have my microphone in. Well, crud. I will post on my other account if you were wondering. She's so happy. Where am I? I'm in bronze, but wow.